Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Last class, we saw numbers from 401 to 500, isn't it? I hope you all know numbers from 201 till 500, isn't it? So today, we are going to see numbers from 501 to 600. Are you all ready, children? Yes, I am going to say, you are going to repeat after me. Yes, you are going to repeat after me. Shall we start? 501, 501, 501, 501, 5 in the hundreds place, right? So 501. What is the number name? F-I-V-E, 500. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 500. 1, O-N-E, 1, 501. So you know the spelling of 500, right? So next 502, 502, 502. After 502, 503, 503, 504, 504, 505, 505. Repeat after me, children. 501, 502, 503, 504, 505. After 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. One more time. 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. After 510, 511, 511, 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 511, 512, 513, 514, 515. After 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520. Repeat after me, children. 516, 517, 518, 519, 520. After 520, what number will come? 521, 521, 522, 523, 524, 525. Repeat after me. 521, 522, 523, 524, 525. After 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530. After 530, 531, 531, 532, 533, 534, 535. Repeat after me. 531, 532, 533, 534, 535. After 535, 536, 536, 537, 538, 539, 540. One more time. 536, 537, 538, 539, 540. 541, 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 541, 542, 543, 544, 545. After 545, 546, 547, 548, 549, 550, 546, 547, 548, 549, 550. After 550, 551, 552, 553, 554, 555, 551, 552, 553, 554, 555. After 555, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560. After 560, 561, 561, 562, 563, 564, 565, 561, 562, 563, 564, 565. After 565, 566, 567, 568, 569, 570, 566, 567, 568, 569, 570. After 570, 571, 572, 573, 574, 575, 571, 572, 573, 574, 575. After 575, 576, 577, 578, 579, 580, 576, 577, 578, 579, 580. After 580, 581, 582, 583, 584, 585, 581, 582, 583, 584, 585. After 585, 586, 587, 588, 589, 590, 586, 587, 588, 589, 590. After 590, what number? 591, 591, 592, 593, 594, 595. Repeat after me. 591, 592, 593, 594, 595. After 595, 596, 597, 598, 599, 600. After 599 plus 1, 600, 600, 596, 597, 598, 599. After 599, 600. Shall we see the spelling of 600 now? Number name S-I-X. Repeat after me, children. S-I-X. 600. What is the spelling for 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 600. So you all know numbers from 501 to 600, isn't it? Now take your notebook. Write numbers from 501 to 600 in your notebook. 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510 in one row, and 511, 512, 513 till 520, then 521 to 530. So like that you are going to write till 600 in your notebook. Clear, children? 501 to 600. Shall we count by tens now? 510. Repeat after me. 510. 520. 520. 530. 530. 540. 540. 550. 550. 560. 560. 570. 570. 580. 580. 590. 590. 600. 600. Now we are going to see the number names. So first one is 576. 576. Number name for this number. 5 it is in hundreds place. So write 500. You know the spelling of 500, right? F-I-V-E. 500. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 500. 7 it is in tens place. So 70. Write 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. And 6 in the ones place. So write 6 here. S-I-X. The number name for the number 576 is 576. I'm repeating it one more time. The number name for the number 576 is 576. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. 513. 513. What is the number name? 5 it is in hundreds place. So write 500. 500. 13. 13 is 13, right? So write 13. 513. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. 513. Third one. 538. What is the number name? 538. For the number 538. 500. 538. 38 is 38. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 38. E-I-G-H-T. 538. The number name for the number 538 is 538. Shall we move on to the next one? Fourth one. 597. 597. What is the number name for this? Yes, right. 500. 500. F-I-V-E. 500. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 500. 97. 97. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 97. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 597. So you all know to write the number names, right? So next one is identify the numbers from the number names. So number name has been given. You're going to form the number. Shall we form the number now? Yes. First one is, repeat after me children, 5. F-I-V is 500. 500. E-I-G-H-T-Y is 88. So what is the number form? 588. 588. The number formed is 500. 588. 588. 588. Second one, 500. For second one, so 500. How many hundreds? 520. So write 2 in the tens place, 26. So 6 in the ones place. So the number formed is 526. 526. The number formed is 526. 526. Third one, 500. So third one, 542. So 4 to 42. 542. The number formed is 542. 542. 542. Fourth one, 500. 599. N-I-N-E-T-Y is 99. 599. 599. So the number formed is 599. Next one, what comes after? You know what is after number, right? You're going to add 1 to the given number. What is the first one? 599. What number will come after 599? Add 1 to the number 599 plus 1. So the number is 600. So 600 comes after 599. 600. So after 599, what number will come? 600. 600. After 599, 600. 600. Second one, 506. What number will come after 506? 506. After that, 507. 507. After 506, what number will come? 507. 507. Clear children till this? Shall we move on to the next one? Third one, 537. That means 537. What number will come after 537? Add 1 to the number 537 plus 1. So the answer is 538. 538. After 537, what number will come? 538. 538. 538. What comes before? What comes before? What number comes before? That we are going to see now. What comes before 519? Before 519, what comes before 519? Subtract 1 from 519. 519 minus 1. What number will come? 518. 518. 519 minus 1 is 518. 518 comes before 519. Isn't it, children? So the answer is 518. 518. Second one, 587. 587. What comes before 587? 586. 586 comes before 587. 586 comes before 587. Third one, 555. 555. What comes before 555? Think and tell me. Yes. 554. 554 comes before 555. 554. 554 comes before 555. So next one is missing numbers. You all know to write missing numbers, right? So just repeat after me. 5, 6. First one is 564. 565. What comes after 565? 566. 566. After 566, 567. After 566, 567. Then 568. So I'll repeat after one more time. 564. 565. After 565, 566. 566. 566. After that, 567. 567. 567. After that, 568. Next one, second one, 581. After 581, what number will come? Think and tell me, children. Yes, 582. 581. 582. 582. After 582, 583. 583. After that, 584. After 583, 584. After 584, 585. 585. 581. 582. 583. 584. 585. Third one, 516. It has already given. 517 it is also already given. Now what comes after 517? After 517, 518. 518. 518. 518. 519 is there. After 519, what number will come? 500. After 519, 520. 520. After 519, 520. So you all know to write the missing numbers, right children? So next one is what comes between. So we are going to write the between numbers. So first we'll see the first number. What comes between 547 and 549? What comes between 547 and 49? What comes between? After 547, 548. 548 comes between 547 and 549. Second one, 500. What comes between 573 and 575? What comes between 73 and 573 and 575? Think and tell me. Yes, 574. 574 comes between 573 and 575. Third one, what comes between 598 and 600? 598 and 600, what comes between? 599 comes between 598 and 600. So you all know to write the between numbers, right children? Next one worksheet for you. Finish the worksheet. The number name for 589 is 566. Represent the number. What comes after 535? What comes before 598? What comes between 572 and 574? And next write the number name for the following numbers. First one 516. Second one 563. Third one 587. You're going to write the number name for these three numbers. See you in the next class children. Thank you.